This video demonstrates the process of installing the Flue Kit for the RG Blackheat radiant tube heaters. You start with installing the rubber gasket before placing the flue adapter, aligning the holes between the two, and you will then be able to attach the nuts, bolts and washers, tightening with a screwdriver and spanner until tight and firmly in place. Once the nuts and bolts are tight, you can then insert the adapter that has the rubber gasket around it into the flue adapter. Once this is in place, you can then insert the specifically designed spiral tubing onto the adapter. Once the spiral tubing's in place, you can then put the protective top hat over the top of this tube to protect it from the elements. Installing the fresh air inlet for the RG Blackheat radiant tube heater is an easy process. Start by placing the rubber gasket over the hole on the unit, and then place the inlet over the gasket and screw in the screws. Once tightened in place, you can then put in the air tubing.